how simple trading is with the help of technical analysis. Yesterday in the morning analysis with the Asia session, I told you to sell gold below 1653 and expect it to achieve 1641 levels, precisely the targets achieved. And in the evening analysis with the US session, I asked you to buy at 1657 and beyond 1663, definitely 1670 levels can be expected. See, precisely it is achieved close to the levels, and now it is trying to trade with a drop. Likewise, silver too has gone close to 1900 or $19 levels. Now I hope you all profited. What can be expected today? Which position you should take? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. Do not commit this mistake. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Press the bell icon. Stay tuned with the latest updates. The next update on gold will be released before the US cash session, so do watch that also. Let's start the day and with the gold first. Towards the end we will see silver, so do watch till the end. Now this is the hourly charts for gold. You can see bullish rally, retracement, and then a rally. Higher highs are done, and if you connect these dots, 1650 is the level. It may try to see if it trades below 1658, 1660 zone. If it tries to trade below, definitely we can expect 1655 and 1650 as the targets. Trading below 1650, further drop can be expected towards 1640 levels. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic is near to top. The MACD is converging here. Let's see if it crosses over for a sell. RSI is near to the high and looking downwards, indicating bearishness. Similar is the observation on the 2-hour charts. Higher highs, higher lows. We may in fact expect a good support at around 1650. Watch out for the levels at around 1650-52 zone, and then how it behaves there will decide the future action for gold. Possibility exists that we may see those levels, and hence you can remain short below 1660. At the same time, on the upside, yes, you can buy here at 1666 levels, or rather 1667 levels, and then you can expect 1670 levels to be seen. Beyond that, we may see it flying for 1674, 1680 levels. Be careful there. The directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is at the top and looking downwards. The MACD is also trying to converge. RSI is also looking downwards, and I think similar is the observation on the 3-hour charts as well. Remember one fact, that on the downside it is taking the support, on the upside there is a support too, resistance too at the 1670 levels. Yes, if it trades below 1660, if you see it trading below 1660, rather we can take it as a comfortable levels at 1658. If you see it trading below 1658, you can expect a further drop for 1655 and 1650 levels. On the upside, you have to be cautious of 1667, 66 zone. Beyond that, definitely 1670, 74 levels can be seen. Directional movement same, bullish. Stochastic is at high. MACD is still trading bullish. RSI is trading flat. Likewise, similar is the observation on the 4-hour charts. Look at the candles there. It is still trying to trade in this. Let it breach any of these support at 1658 levels. Possibly you can expect a further drop for 1650, and then in fact we may see 1640 levels, and in fact it can achieve higher highs at around 1635 levels and 30 levels. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic is near to overbought. The MACD is trading parallel and bullish, and RSI is at high. And now you look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, look at the previous candle. The previous candle body size was hardly it existent there. Though it closed in green, it achieved a high. Still it indicated that possibility of a reversal exists. And then from there, why I am saying possibility of reversal exists, because see the candle size, it was more bearish than bullish, because see the body size is limited, the wick is limited, and now possibly because it is closed in green, possibly today it may again try to retrace a bit. Yes, you can expect 1650 at least, and beyond that also you can expect 1645 levels. If it breaks 1640, certainly further more drop can be expected, and then it may try to start with this bearish channel from here again. As what we have seen, it is trying to get the resistance there on the upside at this zone. 1680 levels is the next resistance level on the upside. Be cautious till then. The directional movement is bearish. Stochastic looking upwards. The MACD has just crossed over on the daily chart. This is the bullish cross. Hence, more bullishness can also be expected if it tries to trade above 1670-74 zone. And RSI is trading flat. Considering this for the day, do not trade between 1657 and 1667. The $10 I am requesting you to not to take any position below 1657. Expect 1654, 1650 as the major support for the day, and below 1650 further drop can be expected till towards 1645, 1641 levels. On the upside, any rise beyond 1667, expect the next resistance at 1670, 1674, and then 1680. 1680 is a very strong resistance which it may fail to pass by. Be watchful there. Yes, it can show you a rise if it trades above 1667. So do not trade between 1657 and 67 levels. So take your positions accordingly. And yes, if you want to learn this art of taking right entries, identifying profitable trades, and taking right exits, you can join my mentorship batch, the 15th batch, starting on 3rd of October. Be a part of it. Limited, I think only couple of seats are available. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also join my free Telegram channel. If not, please support me by becoming a Patreon, and the monthly fees, there is hardly anything. It is just $7 a month, so you can join that also. Now let's have a look at silver. On the hourly charts, similar formation, but on the hourly charts, look at silver's, see, lower highs are seen, rally, retracement, lower highs. Now it is trying to take a drop. Yes, if you see it trading below 1880, yes, you can say we may see 1875 as the first support, 1870 as the second support, then 1860 will come as the stronger support. Below that you can see a sharper fall. So sell at 1880 levels. Directional movement is still bullish. Stochastic is overbought. The MACD is trying to converge and RSI is already looking downwards from here. Similar is the observation on the 2-hour charts. Highs, lows, lower highs. Possibly it may try to retrace back a bit on the downside. Trading below 1880 you can sell, but remember 1875 as the support, and then below that 1860 as the support, and below that we may see it a good fall. 1850, 1840 levels cannot be denied. Below 1840 we can see a further sharper drop for 1820, 1800. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic is looking upwards, looking forward to a drop. The MACD is willing to converge. The RSI is also looking downwards here, indicating little bearishness. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, rise, retracement, rise, lower highs, and now it is trying to retrace. Selling below 1880 will be a good option for you. Yes, you can expect at least 1875, and below that certainly a good break can be expected. 1870, 1860 in the next target, and below that further sharper drop can be expected. Directional movement not indicative of anything. Stochastic is overbought. The MACD is trying to converge. RSI is trading flat. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, interesting. See, rise, retracement, rise. Now it is looking upwards. So yes, if it tries to take a bullish move from here, possibly it can achieve 1920, 1930 levels, which is the stronger resistance zone, as I have always maintained. So yes, possibility exists that if it trades beyond 1890 levels, you can expect 1900, and then beyond that you can expect it to rise for 1920, 1930, 40 levels. Directional movement is moderately bullish. Stochastic is looking upwards. The MACD is divergent and bullish, and the RSI is trading flat. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily chart. See, first thing, 100 period moving average definitely providing it a very strong resistance. A drop, then a retracement, lower lows, then a retracement, lower highs, and now it is trying to consolidate within this zone. Yes, it is trying to trade parallel to this. Probably after this consolidation, it has given a breakout. Probably once it trades below this zone at, also look at the last candle, lower highs are done. Yes, you can sell at 1880, expect it to drop and achieve 1860, 1850. In fact, 1840 levels cannot be denied, and below that you can see a sharper drop. The directional movement anyways is bearish. Stochastic is looking upwards. The MACD is willing to converge, and RSI trading flat. Considering this, expect or sell at 1880, expect 1875, 1870 and 1860. These three levels you should mark out for, specifically 1860 for gold today. Below 1860 we can certainly say that there is going to be little bearishness, and it may try to attempt and achieve 1850 and 1840 levels as the next target, but you can trade your stop loss there. And yes, below 1860 certainly a good fall can be expected till towards 1840 levels. On the upside, buy at 1890. Expect 1900 as the first resistance, and if it breaks past 1900, certainly 1920, 1930, 1940 levels can be seen. Remember, 1920, 1940 is a good strong resistance on the upside. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, join my mentorship batch, join my signals group or join my Patreon page. All the links mentioned in the channel and video description. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training related queries. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.